everybody! I'm going to be doing a quick 5-minute face painting tutorial to show you how to do a full face of a tiger. So the first thing you need is a face. So I've got one of them, and the first paint that you're going to use is the white one. So I'm using Snazaroo paint, and we have a little sponge. So you load your face paint onto your little sponge, and then what you're going to do is you're going to white out one of your eyes. So just kind of like so quite gently. So you do it nice and gently. That's it. So do nice little patches. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, so that's your beautiful white done. Try not to get it in your eye because it can lead to your eye watering. So once you've done that, which is an amazing job as you can see that I have here, we're going to go into the yellow paint. So once again, I've loaded up my sponge with yellow, and I'm going to cover over everywhere else that I haven't got the white on. So it's the rest of the face. So yeah, that's it. Nice. I'll just close my mouth now. Are we doing this? Yeah. Lovely. Yeah. So try not. Ow. Okay. Yeah, that's not yet. Oh, lovely. Really good job. Yeah, really good coverage going on there, as you can see. Okay, next thing we're going to do is we're going to use the paintbrush. And we're going to put a little bit of water on the paintbrush. Maybe turn the paintbrush around the other way. And then that's right. And then put it onto your. This is the paintbrush I'm using. It's a medium-sized paintbrush. It's very nice for painting faces and stripes and details and stuff. So a bit more water on your paintbrush. And then again, we put it into the black paint. So you want to load up your brush quite nicely, just kind of around the sides of the paintbrush. Bit more, so you don't have to keep dabbing in and out. Okay, nice and watery now. And then what you want to do is do a black nose. So paint on your nose. So find your nose. And yeah, try and get the whole side of the nose. Lovely job. Okay, great, that's enough now. And now we might do a few whiskers as well to make it look more lifelike and tiger-like. So yeah, I think there's enough paint on the brush now. Go to this with a few nice little tiger whiskers. Yeah. Oh, that's nice. Lovely. Okay, so these aren't stripes, they're whiskers. Okay, great, lovely. So we've kind of stepped ahead there. Now we need to go on to the eyebrows. That's it. So nice, furry eyebrows. Beautiful. Yeah, that's the paintbrush I'm using again. Okay, and now your tiger look is complete. Thanks for watching. Bye.
It's not bad.
It's not bad.
It's not too bad.
No, it's a bit like a cheetah.
Jesus, I've seen worse than that.
You did. Good job.